Tyler Tool Painted Hand Winch. Our painted manual hand winches are the economical solution to pull or lift various loads. They feature a fully automatic friction brake, which supplies constant positive holding action anytime the handle is released, meaning the load stops when the handle stops, which prevents runaway loads. These winches can be mounted on wood or metal surfaces and built to withstand various corrosive conditions, and can be operated with wire rope or soft rope. Our customers use Tyler Tool painted hand winches in the outdoors, in machine and fab shops, dockyards, and general lifting and pulling applications. They're available in 3 sizes: 1,200, 1,800, and 2,600 pounds, with line capacities of up to 283 feet and up to 3/8-inch line diameters. When it comes to hand winches, the Tyler Tool painted hand winch is the economical choice for safe manual lifting and pulling.